say Cannes, okay? So at Cannes, and we have won from this office, we won 3 awards. Yeah? Thank you. I cannot describe the feeling. It was not our first, by the way, for this office. It was our 4th year. I'll tell you, I'm just here to tell you that one story of that plan and that positioning, and that's what I'm really recommending as the one thing that I'd like all of you to take away from this 10 minutes. 3, I think, are over. And what I wanted to say was that that feeling of being told that we had won just after doing this pass, and you know, this is also a pilgrimage, the Kailash Parikrama. And of course, confession, I'm not a ritualistic person. I didn't embark on it like that. Mind you, when I was there, it became that. So, but that feeling was higher than the feeling I got at that altitude. And why? Because it wasn't just 2 gold awards for film, but it was 2 for the first time for the country. Yeah? So we're talking global, we're talking positioning the country. Okay? And that's really what made me feel finally very proud of my team. Now, what happened was, just to go back on the story, 2005, we as a company, J. Walter Thompson, as you heard, it was called Hindustan Thompson, and it was called J. Walter Thompson. We're a 137-year-old company in the world, 78 years in India, leaders all of the 78 years. So the 2 entrepreneurs before you and somebody from the corporate world for you now. Only thing in common is 30 plus years, actually. I cheated. I'm older than what she said. Okay? So, what happened was this company, the Cannes Awards have recently opened up, but this company needed to reinvent itself. And we set out a mandate. We called ourselves JWT, and we said that we need to reinvent ourselves and focus on awards along with strategy and creating great brands, because we still believe, we are not known for JWT. You would know a Pepsi, you would know a Horlicks, you would know Ford, you would know so many brands, but you may not know the agency behind it, and we believe that's our pride. Yeah? Now, we decided to reinvent ourselves. It so happened that I was in New York for a meeting, and I met the person who was going to become the CEO. And he shared this dream with me. And I came back and I thought about it, and we have 5 offices, 5 managers, or whatever we call ourselves now. And the fact is, I don't think the others bought into it so easily at that stage. Now they're all winning. And I decided that my office and I were going to buy into that dream, and we were going to aim for that reinvention on the creative front. So, now I shared that with my team, and several people thought I was stupid. But fortunately, there were a lot of hungry souls out there who decided that yes, we needed to go for this. And what happened was, interestingly, Chennai office had never even won in Bombay, and now it's in Goa. It's called the Abbeys, which is the national award. So they said, are you nuts? You haven't won Abbeys and you want to win Cannes? So I said, but we're going to do it. Now, that was 1 year to go, and we had to get there. So we set out in a plan. We bought books, went on to sites, we did investigation, we researched what wins, we chose a category, we worked on it, and we won for the company for the first time in 75 years at Cannes in 2005. In 2006, in 2005 we won the silver, in 2006 we won a gold, and then, people changed in the creative, and for a year they all slept. And I got very angry and I said, this is ridiculous. You can't lose the energy that we created. And it happens all the time. You yourself lose energy. Fortunately, I brought in a creative chief who was only 32 years old, the youngest in the company. We are a fairly established company, and normally you don't become a creative chief before 40. And to you guys who want to break ceilings, just remember that you are at a time where you can quickly choose your goals and will get there much faster than people like me. And therefore, we got this young person who is obsessive. I mean, he is OCD. He's constantly planning and working and has to deliver on deadlines, and there's no excuse, and neither can his team have an excuse. So I found another partner, and he worked, and we got, in 2008, we got a bronze to come back into the business, and this year we had a boom, and we just did something for the country, and to my mind that was a moment of great pride. But is that enough? Obviously not. So we've got to get the Grand Prix next year. That's the plan. So the story is not about me and my team and JWT. The story is about being very focused, choosing. Now, the most important thing that I'd like to share is about positioning. I have decided that Chennai